Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 14 EDQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 14 EDQ won't charge at all, you're likely facing a battery issue. This can happen for various reasons, such as a faulty battery, a damaged charging port, or even issues with the power adapter. If left unresolved, this problem can lead to more severe damage and ultimately result in the complete failure of your device. To carry out this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a new battery compatible with the HP 14 EDQ, and some tweezers. First, ensure that your device is turned off and unplugged. Start by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the laptop. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any of the components inside. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery. It is usually situated near the center of the device, secured with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the battery in place. Remember to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them for the new battery. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery from its compartment. If there are any cables connected to the battery, carefully disconnect them using your tweezers. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same cables you just removed. Ensure that the connection is secure. Next, place the new battery into its compartment and reinsert the screws, tightening them gently but firmly. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the battery or the motherboard. After securing the battery, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Now, plug in your device and turn it on to check if the battery is charging correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you regularly check your charging cable for any signs of damage and avoid using your device in extreme temperatures. Keeping your laptop clean and free from dust can also help maintain the battery's health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.